Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check storage in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, open settings in your phone. Go to the settings. Then go to device care. Go to device care. Here you can check out how much storage is available, how much is used. See, 83.2 GB available out of 256 GB storage. So this storage belongs to internal memory. Internal memory inbuilt will be 256 GB, out of which 8 GB are used. 172.8 GB are used, and remaining memory is 83.2 GB. Also, you can check out how much RAM used. Okay, 8 GB RAM total, and out of 8 GB, 5.5 GB RAM has been currently used and 1.8 GB available. So in this way, you can easily check out storage in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.